Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Imprint application on your iPhone. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, from your iOS device, go ahead and open up the iOS App Store, and once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Imprint and start your search. Once you find the Imprint application, tap on it and you will see the Get button. Tap on the Get button and this will begin the download and installation of the Imprint application on your iOS device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the Open button, you can tap on it to open up the Imprint app. Once the application is opened up, you can proceed with signing up to your account or logging into your existing one in order to start using Imprint right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Imprint application on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.